Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to install WordPress on InfinityFree step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have your very own WordPress website up and running, completely free. Whether you're building a blog, portfolio, or small business site, this guide will give you a solid foundation and the confidence to get started. Let's jump right in. So as you can see, I've already signed up for an InfinityFree account, which is totally free, by the way. If you haven't done that yet, go ahead and create your account first. Once you're signed up and logged into your client area, you're ready for the next step. Now, to actually set things up, you'll need to get into your InfinityFree control panel. From the client area, just click on Open Control Panel. If you're coming back to the site later, you might be asked to approve access by clicking an I approve button. It's just a quick bit of housekeeping, nothing to worry about. Once you click that, you'll land inside the control panel. You're in the right place. Inside the control panel, you're going to scroll down until you find the section labeled Software. Don't rush here. InfinityFree's panel is packed with options, so look for the section with all the app installers. Here you want to find the Softaculous Apps Installer icon. If you've never used Softaculous before, it's basically your best friend for installing popular web apps without any technical headaches. Go ahead and click on Softaculous Apps Installer. It'll load up a new interface filled with all kinds of scripts, but today we're focusing on WordPress. You'll probably see it right up near the top. WordPress is easily the most popular tool for building websites. Click on the WordPress icon and then hit the Install Now button. Now comes the part where you tell WordPress exactly where and how you want it set up. First, you'll see an option to choose your installation URL. This means selecting your website's domain name and the right protocol. I recommend choosing https:// if it's available. This gives your visitors a secure connection and helps with Google rankings. Double check that the correct domain is selected from the dropdown. Next, there's the in-directory field. If you want your main website to load when someone visits your domain, like yourdomain.com, then leave this box empty. But if you want to put WordPress into a subdirectory, maybe for a blog or a separate section like yourdomain.com/blog, you type that directory name in here. Most folks will want to leave it blank the first time they do this. A few fields down, you'll get to your site settings. Enter a name for your site and a quick description, both of which you can easily change later within WordPress itself. Think of this as a sign above your door. It tells the world what your site is about, but you're not locked in forever. Now, the admin account setup is super important. Skip the default username. It's much safer to change this to something unique and make sure you create a strong password. This will help protect your site from unwanted visitors. Don't forget to use a real, working email here. WordPress will use it to send you important notifications and in the future help you reset your password if you need. So make it when you check. You can also pick your preferred language, and there are even some starter themes you can install right now. Feel free to experiment or stick with the default and change themes later. WordPress makes it very easy. Once you're happy with all your settings, scroll to the bottom and click the Install button. You'll see a progress bar, and this part might take a few moments, so just hang tight. When it's done, you'll get a link to your fresh new WordPress site as well as your admin login page. And that's it, you've installed WordPress on InfinityFree. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give the video a thumbs up. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or hit any snags. I'm happy to help out. And if you want more straightforward guides like this, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching and enjoy building your new site.